In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post your resume on Craigslist. Posting your resume on Craigslist can be a useful way to connect with potential employers and increase your visibility to companies that are actively looking for candidates. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of creating a resume posting on Craigslist and making it available for employers to view. To begin, you'll need to have a resume ready. You can either create a new resume in a word processing program or open an existing resume that you've already prepared. Make sure the information is accurate, up-to-date, and reflects your current skills and experience before moving forward. Once your resume is ready, open your preferred web browser and visit the Craigslist website. From there, navigate to the section where you can create a new posting. As you go through the posting process, you'll be asked to enter information that will help employers understand what type of position you're looking for. When creating your listing, provide a clear title that reflects the type of work you are seeking. You should also enter the location where you would like to work. If you're open to opportunities in multiple areas or are willing to relocate, you can indicate that flexibility within your posting. Next, return to your resume document and select all of the text. Copy the contents of the resume and then switch back to Craigslist. Click inside the posting description field and paste your resume into the designated area. This allows employers browsing Craigslist to review your qualifications directly from the listing. You'll also need to provide an email address in the reply field. Enter the email address as requested and double-check that it is correct. It's important to make sure your contact information only appears where it is intended. If your email address appears anywhere within the resume itself, remove it before publishing the post to help keep your information organized and displayed properly. After completing the required fields, click Continue. Craigslist will then display a preview of your posting. Take a moment to carefully review the entire listing and check for any spelling errors, formatting issues, or missing information. If everything looks correct, click Publish to proceed. The next step is to verify your posting through email. Open your inbox and look for the message sent by Craigslist. Open the email and click the verification link provided. A new page will open where you'll need to accept the terms of use. Once you've done that, Craigslist will confirm that your resume posting has been completed. You can then follow the provided link to view your resume live on the site. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.